Hi, my name's Xavier. You might be wondering how I ended up in this situation. But before all that, let's learn a little bit about me.
Like I said before, my name's Xavier Gaskins. I'm 18 years old and a senior at South Central High School, where I take English and digital design classes, where I work in programs such as Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator, and now I'm learning how to use Premiere Pro. While in high school, I take PIC classes, where I learn public speaking and art, and after high school, I plan on continuing learning about digital design. In my free time, I like to watch anime, play the game, and play basketball. My family consists of my mom, my dad, and my pet chihuahua named Xander. My favorite artists are Tyler the Creator and Brent Fayez. My two best friends are Josh and Najai. Thank you for taking time out your day to get to know me.